Hello. Right, here we go. This one, frequency tables. Frequency. Frequency is how often something happens. And a table is where we set out the information in a nice format so we can see what's going on. Right, let's have a look. So, say we're going to do a survey of how many cups of tea we drink, and we're going to put the results in a frequency table. So we're going to have here a column that says the number of cups per, I don't know, a week, a month, a day, it doesn't matter, the number of cups we drink. So when we go around and ask the people question, one, two, three, four. Oh, what happened to three? What happened to three? Okay, so one, two, three, four. Okay, how many drink in a day? Okay, so then we have a column called the frequency. Now this is how often something occurs. So we go around and we ask all the people, excuse me, can you help me? How many cups of tea do you drink in a day? And they say, oh, I only drink 1 cup of tea. So you put one there. Then the next person says no cups of tea. And the next person says 1 cup of tea. And you build them up until you get lots of different numbers there. So I'll change um, this tally chart thing, tally count into proper numbers, because after all it would be in a table, wouldn't it? So we'll say 3, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So there's our table. Let's draw that for you so that you would imagine it would be in a table. That's it. Perfect. Yeah. So it means that 4 people drink 1 cup a day, 3 people drink 2 cups a day, 1 person drinks 4 cups a day, and 3 people no cups. That sort of thing. So what we're going to have to find out, possibly, would be our old averages, the range, the mode, the median, and the mean. So you've got to be able to work out all of these 4 from this. Right. So first of all, we'll tackle the range. Now the range is going to be the difference between the largest amount of cups of tea that were drunk and the smallest amount of cups of tea that were drunk. And this one, because 3 people said they drank no cups of tea, that counts. And 1 person drank 4 cups of tea, so the range is the largest, take away the smallest, which equals 4 cups. Now, if at either end you have, say that was a 0 in there, then because of no people drank 4 cups, that wouldn't count. The 4 wouldn't count because it just doesn't come into the data. So the range would then be only 3. Yeah. So look out for that if you've got a 0 stuck at the end. Okay, the next one we'll do is the mode. Some of them are easy and some of them are quite rough. Quite a lot to do. The mode. Now the mode is the most common answer, as it were. Now the most common answer is this one, 4. Yeah, because 4 people said 1 cup. Now if I put this data as we've seen before in a data set, we would have 3 lots of 0, 4 ones, then 3 2s, and 2 3s, and 1 4. And you can see the most common there, that makes it easier to see, is this one. So it's the highest number in the frequency, gives you the mode. So most people said they drank 1 cup of tea. 1 cup. Now, what we've got to do now? Now we're going to do the median. Now the median is the middle value. So what we need to do is count how many we've got. Yeah. So count all the people in the survey. So 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 13. So we want to find the middle of 13. So we can use our n plus 1 equal divide by 2, which is 13 plus 1 divided by 2, 14 divided by 2, which equals 7. Remember, 7 is the position. So what we need to do is count from the bottom or the top 7. So we're in the middle somewhere, yeah? So I'll go from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lands in that box there. If I count from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's in there. Then you look to the left to find out that it's 1 cup. So the median equals 1 cup. Right, now we are going to try and can I move that over a bit? Yeah, let's try and move that just down there at the way. Right, come down there. Because what we're going to do now is in red, we're going to do the mean. So for the mean, we would need another column, and 99 times out of 100, the extra column is drawn on the exam question paper, and it's usually blank. So see this number here, that's the number of people in our survey. Now we need to find the total number of cups of tea that were drunk. So 3 people said they drank no cups of tea, so you can do 3 times 0 equals 0. 4 people drank 1 cup of tea, so 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. And 4 times 1 is 4. Now we get another number. If we add all this up, 10, we get 20. Now 20 is the total cups of tea. That's the total cups of tea. Now, how do we find out what the mean average is? Well, we know we've got 20 cups of tea and we've got 13 people. So if we do the 20 cups divided by the 13 people, it will tell us, I'm going to get the calculator out for this, 20 divided by 13 equals 1.5, I'll round it a little bit, rounded it to 2 decimal places, yeah, cups. So the mean is 1.54 cups, and the mode is 1 cup, the range is 4 cups, and the median is, I can't remember what the median was, 1 cup, yeah. So that's how to work out the 4 different types of averages from a frequency table. Now, there is a more difficult type of frequency table which will come up in the next lesson. So there's no questions in the book on this one, so we'll just have to leave it there, or no, let's do another one. Yeah. And so Sausage rolls. Right. They're sausage rolls. How many sausage rolls do little boys eat at school? Um, sausage. They sausage rolls. They can be pork, but if you are of a persuasion where you don't have to eat pork, we can call them vegan sausage rolls. It doesn't matter. Yeah. So how many sausage rolls do we eat? So here's the number of sausage rolls. Yeah. You can either eat 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. And here is the frequency. Yeah. We asked loads of people, so we do 8. We do bigger numbers now. 8, 10, 12, 11, 3, and 2. Yeah. So in here, now this one will be the total. So let's find out the range. So the range is the difference between positive answers. So 2 people said 5, 8 people said 0. So it's the biggest, take away the smallest, which equals 5. And what's the next one to do? Mean, median. Let's have a look. Let's go back, see if we do it in the right order. Mode. Yeah, I forgot that one. Mode. So the mode is the most common answer, which is 12, but it's 2 sausage rolls. So the mode equals 2. The median. Now this is where we add all these up together and find out where the halfway point is. So 8, 18, 30, 41, 44, 46. So the total number of respondents of 46. So n plus 1 over 2 equals 47 over 2, which is 23.5. And remember, that's our position. So we've got to count from the top or the bottom until we get to 23.5. So 8, 18, 18, that goes up to 30, doesn't it? So it's going to be in here. If I go from the bottom, 2, 5, 16, 28, so that's all right. So it's gone there. That's where the middle is. Go to the left and it's 2. So the median equals 2 sausage rolls. Then we do the mean. And the mean, we need to find the total. So we do 8 times 0 is 0. 10 times 1 is 10. 12 times 2 is 24. 3 times 11 is 33. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 plus 24 plus 33 plus 12 plus 10 equals a grand total of 89. So we've got 46 people and 89 sausage rolls. So 89 sausage rolls divided by the 46 people, divided by 46 is 1.93. 1.93. There's a lot more numbers in the calculator, yeah? So the mean average is 1.93 sausage rolls, yeah, which is nearly 2, which is most of them are 2. There you go. So we'll leave it with that one. And on the next one, we'll do group data, where I've got some proper questions from the book that I'm using. All right. I'll see you in the next one.